Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, you're very welcome. I go by the name Nisa. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in again today. So today we'll be looking at very interesting and juicy updates. Without any further ado or say, let's dive in. As I walk you guys through the process, please keep at the back of your mind that you don't have to pay a dime to this agency to get you a job offer or visa sponsorship. So please, if you land on any site and they're requesting for any kind of money, just know it's the wrong place. So this agency is called Reed, and they are one of the top best in terms of Ireland. They help people secure great jobs. We're gonna see the reviews in a minute. And their platform is so easy to use, and you can even get one-on-one support if you do require. So these are some of the jobs that you see at a glance once you get into the platform: plaintiff litigation solicitor, finance manager, account assistant, account assistant not for property, account administrator, accounts payable, and much more. So they have so many opportunities open, but note that this is just what you see immediately you land on the page. And once you're here, if any of this interests you, you can always do apply or show more jobs, and it's going to show you many other jobs. So don't feel limited. For you to search for a particular job, just click on, you put what you want, and if you have a specific location, you click on that. You can also filter in terms of if you want it to be permanent, full-time, and even your salary range, and it's gonna pop up the different options in terms depending on the filter you put in. But I just left it open so you can show us all the different jobs, as I don't know exactly what the viewer is looking for. So as you can see, we have infrastructure, HR coordinator, commercial, and many more. So depending on what you filter, that is what is gonna give you. So like I went in to check for engineers. So there are not so much options in terms of engineers. It gave us, excuse me, it gave us the infrastructure engineer. And that is, if you're into engineering, this is something you can consider applying for. And but note that you have to create, you have to upload your CV at a point to apply for these jobs. But this site is great because they even offer CV help. But of course, guys, please feel free to reach out to me if you want me to review your CV for a little cost. Please do well to join my WhatsApp channel so that you can get updates, exclusive updates as soon as possible. Yes, so just looking particularly at the HR coordinator job, this is what it entails. This is the salary. You see, it was posted 8 days ago, and there are even jobs, so it's been updated every single day. So by the time you're even watching this video, maybe there are newer jobs that you can apply for. So please make sure to go through the responsibilities, the skill and attributes required, so that you make sure it's something that matches with what you have on your CV. And if not, you can always tailor your CV to match with what you're about to apply for. So one mistake that people always do is using one CV to apply for many different positions. Guys, to get the work, you must put in the work. To get the job, you must put in the work, because you need to tailor your CV to fit in every job description, given that you have those skills, and focus on particular keywords. So that is one thing I'm specialized in, helping you bring out those keywords so that you can actually apply for that job. And this site is amazing because they also have one-on-one help if you want an agent to help you ensure that you get your job as soon as possible, which is not very costly. You just need to come in, fill this form, and then it's gonna connect you to an agent who will walk you through the whole process of applying, submitting, getting your visa, and everything of that sort. So of course, you have to send them their CV. Let me say, if you want to work with the agent, when you fill this form, your name, everything, email address, you have to upload the CV you have. But if it does not meet standards, they're gonna also help you arrange it. But if it meets standard, then they can use that. But just ensure that you get the job approved as soon as possible. So if you really want like to facilitate the process and you have some extra money, you can do that. But of course, you can also apply for the jobs alone without paying a dime. Without paying a dime, you just need to upload your CV and you're good to go. Okay, guys. So, looking at some reviews, you see this person said she came and registered on the platform on Wednesday, had an interview on Thursday, and was offered the job by Friday. So, he's like, there's nothing more amazing than that. So, this is just a few among the many people that have experienced this platform. It has been there for decades, and so it is something very reliable. Many people have used it and confirmed that it is actually working. That's why we are here reviewing it so that you don't miss out on this great platform to get a job offer in Ireland, get your work permit, move with your family, and just have a better life. If you've been dreaming of relocating, then this is something that please you should try and check out. You can see in the video, the link is right there. That is for people that are serious. You can always copy the link from this video and go to this website. Guys, please note that there are many reads, but you need to search for this particular read in Ireland. I'm going to put the link also in the description below to make your life easy. And again, if you want services like preparing you for your interview, your especially in terms of F1 visa, going through reviewing your CV, writing your CV for you, please reach out and we can discuss this at very affordable prices. And but you can also use the one-on-one help on the platform. That is also great. And you can also, and guys, last but not the least, you will need to create an account. And this is the platform or the file that you need to fill to get your account created. So it's very simple, straight to the point. If you already have a LinkedIn account, you can just upload your LinkedIn account there and everything will upload automatically. But if not, you then have to do it manually, but it's easy and straight to the point. And that is where we end our video today. I hope this blesses someone out there. Please remember to have great CVs and you stand a higher chance of getting the job offer as soon as possible. See you guys in my next video.